In this video, I'll show you how to install an older version of an NVIDIA driver. What you want to do is you want to come here and search for Device Manager, go to Display Adapters, right click on your GPU and go to Properties. In here find Driver. If you have the option to roll back driver, just press on this one and it's gonna go to a previously installed driver. If you cannot click on this one, what you can do is right click, Update, Browse my computer, let me pick from a list, and in here you should be able to see all of them. Now if this still doesn't work, what you can do is right click, Properties, Driver, and find the driver date. Once you know the date, you can head over to Google and download a new driver, which is before this date. So you can find a driver from, let's say, 2023 or something, and that will be an older driver. So simply just go to Google and search for your graphics card and go to the driver section, find a driver before this date, like older than this date, and then you'll have an older driver. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.